Okay, so when I joined Kisii University 2021, I found that the masses were being held at Nyayo Hall. Yeah, Nyayo Hall is it was a multi-purpose hall which was being used for various activities, including our mass. Na pia at the same time it is a mess where students serve their meals. Yeah, so when nimekuwa hapo tumeomba hapo, then recently when we had a change of administration, we were moved to Dr. Sagini Hall. So that is where we currently have our masses.
Then you realize that it's not all about the Jumuiya to gather there. All the CM members gather there at 4 p.m. every Friday. So we begin our procession from the School of Law. We just carry it on until we reach the almost to the administration block. So by the time we reach the administration block, that's where we complete all our stations. So we don't always find it difficult to carry out the way of the cross unless there is effect of the change of climate or weather. For instance, cases of rain. But in cases of rain, we don't move, but we hold our stations at one place. Yeah, but we don't omit that. We recognize it and we always follow the calendar of Catholic to the latter.
Catholic action ni what executive. I think that we parish ya kawaida. So as executive, mtu nalo kuna PS public secretary. When we got an information as a member ya Catholic action. Kile Jumuiya ni what a group ya WhatsApp. So kuna wakolika maybe tuanje tuko meet saa 10 ya mara after classes. Okay, ikifika Good Friday, just as my friend has said, we normally follow the calendar. So we normally meet at a said place. For most of the days we have been meeting at the medical annex. So the publicity send the messages in our various WhatsApp groups. We meet there at around 11, 12 there. Then we begin our procession.
Jumuiya sahi ishanipatia hiyo belonging ya kwa familia. So ni ngumu hata wewe kuacha familia yako.
I can never forget about Kisii University because it has nurtured me to be the person I am today. Especially in my spiritual life. Hopefully I ask God that I maintain it. I can't even dare to forget about Kisii University.
It is part and parcel of my life.
So kwanza Jumuiya ilinisaidia, siku hizi hadi naweza ongea hapa. Kitambo nilikuwa na shake sana nikiongea na watu. Yeah, so Jumuiya ikinisaidia kitu kama hiyo siwezi sahau.